How to find Amazon promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Amazon promo code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get promo code for Amazon. So open any of it. I'm gonna open this one as this is a legit website. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 50% off, 80% off, $65 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you wanna use. Click on it. You're gonna get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy the code, then head towards the website of Amazon, make your purchase, and check out. While you check out, you'll find the section of codes. Over there, type in this code and then redeem the code. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Amazon. Lastly, you can also check out other websites, as other websites will also provide you tons of offers and deals for Amazon. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.